You're driving to work.
When it happens,
You're hit by a distracted driver. And now, your car's wrecked. You're injured. You're shaken. And you have no idea what to do next. You've never been in an accident before. And now, you have tons of questions.
do I have to fill out a police report? What do I tell my insurance company? Do I need an attorney? What do I do in order to get a rental car? What kind of doctor understands car injuries? Who's gonna pay for these medical bills?
At 1-800-ACCIDENT, we're here to help you through the process that occurs after you're involved in an accident.
Our experts will help walk you through the process from start to finish. We're 1-800-ACCIDENT for all of your car accident needs. Oh yeah.